At this point, I think it's already established to say that Apple is usually late to adding features on their devices, unlike other operating systems like Android. But when they finally do, they usually make it better, and then they do it the Apple way. So in this video, I'm just going to be recapping the event and talking about some of my favorite features from the keynote. The Apple Vision Pro got its first update after its launch from like 4 months ago, and they are calling it the Vision OS 2. And with this update, you now have the ability to view special photos and videos on the Vision Pro. The Mac virtual display also got some improvements with a better display resolution and size. With this new Vision Pro update, you can just hold up your hand to display on view, and by tapping on it, you get to open the control center. Not so many actual changes from my perspective, but yeah, those are some of the new features added to the Vision Pro. As usual, everyone anticipates that Apple will unveil new iPhones during their WWDC event, but they didn't. What they did announce though is iOS 18. Android users, just spare me about 1 to 2 minutes and just, ignore everything I'm about to say. In iOS 18, there are new customization features, so you can now place apps anywhere you like on your screen, and they are no longer accustomed to just stay at the top. There is also a new look for app icon when your phone is in dark mode, and you can now adjust the colors of your application by tint. And I know some of these features has been on Android phones for the longest time now, and Apple is just announcing it like it's something new, doing it the Apple way. One of the things they also updated is the control center, so you can now add new controls right on the spot without having to do it in settings. On the lock screen, there will now be options to switch the flashlight and the camera icon to something different. You can now decide to lock and hide an app just in case you're handing your device to someone, and if they try opening the app, they'll be asked to authenticate before you are granted access into the app. Some of the features I found interesting is the message schedule option, where you can schedule a message to drop at a particular time. And you can now tap to cache, where you simply just bring your phones together and it's exchange your Apple Cash with the other person without even exchanging phone numbers or email addresses. With iPad OS, you pretty much have the same customization features as of iOS 18. And after so many years of waiting, Apple finally decided to add the calculator app to the iPad. Well, if you ask anyone, adding the calculator app to the iPad in 2024 isn't such a big deal, because even some of the most affordable iPads have the calculator application on them, not to talk of some of the most expensive ones. The calculator app on the iPad looks pretty normal until you switch to math notes. And with your Apple Pencil, you can write down math equations, and when you put the equal sign, it automatically shows the correct answer to that question in your own handwriting. And you can also decide to change or add numbers, and it gives you the correct answer in real time. It also gives answers to questions with variable and exponent, and it can also help create a graph of a question, which is just nuts. macOS also got an update, and they are calling it
macOS Sequoia.
And it also comes with some interesting features like iPhone mirroring.
iPhone mirroring. With iPhone mirroring on Mac, I can see what's on my iPhone and can control it too, all while barely lifting a finger. Let me show you how it works. To access my phone, I just click here in my dock. Boom, and there's my iPhone, mirrored in a window right on my Mac. And I can use my phone normally, like swiping through pages of my home screen.
The Mac also has an interesting feature called Presenter Preview. Okay, so let's say you're on a video call with someone on the Mac and you want to share your screen with them. Presenter Preview allows you to see what you're about to share before you share them. It also has an option of allowing you to replace your background with some default images or your photos. And these are some of the features that we announced at WWDC 24. Some of them are great and exciting, while some aren't, because I've seen them on other devices for so many years now. And I can't actually wait to get my hands on iOS 18 so I can personally experience these features myself. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.